唔識做 ？Why? Okay, let's do it together. It's 21.06. Yes, yeah. The market price of a shirt is higher than its cost by $80. So $80 is actually the difference. Ready? $80 is actually the difference between the cost price and the market price. Okay? Which one is higher? Which one is higher? Market price or cost price is higher? Market price。嗱，記住，我叫第一樣嘢要教你哋嘅。好多時我哋啲文字係咧，唔單止係呢啲 cost price、market price 喎。好多時都會話咧，一樣嘢係大過另一樣嘢快幾多嘅快嘅差額。即係記住，你幫我寫翻低呢樣嘢啊！永遠都係咁樣列式嘅。就係 the larger minus the smaller is equal to the difference. Okay, can you see the words? The larger minus the smaller is equal to the difference. 即係大啲嗰樣嘢減細呢樣嘢，就等於佢哋之間嘅差額。In this case， 嗱記住，如果佢係話 larger than something by 一個 percentage 嘅話咧，就唔係咁樣噶啦。OK， 即係如果佢講用個 percentage， 你會話俾你聽大幾多 percent 嘅，就唔係咁係呢一個嘅。但係呢個咧係咪即係一樣嘢大過一樣嘢當中嘅差額係實數嚟嘅，唔係個 percentage 嚟嘅。OK， 呢個係真係個差額嚟嘅。咁我哋用呢個形式咧去列式。Okay, which one is the larger quantity, larger price? It's the market price, right? And then the smaller one should be the cost price. So I'm going to do it like this. Market price minus cost price is equal to 80. Equation 1. Can you get this? And then the shirt is sold at a discount of 10% on its market price. And there's a percentage here, 10%. What is this percentage? Discount percentage, okay? So it is given the discount percentage. And then last Friday, I've asked you to write down a sentence about given discount percentage. Okay, what should we write? What should we start with?
Selling price.
Yes, selling price is equal to market price times 1 minus discount percent or percentage discount. Right? We need to start like this or set up an equation like this. Okay? But we do not have any selling price, right? So we also need to let S be the selling price. So it should be like this. S is equal to M times 1 minus 10%. Okay? And then we just simplify the 1 minus 10% first. Okay? So S is equal to 0.9 times M. And then let us call this equation 2. Can you follow? 嗱，之後咧呢度咧，其實你唔使諗佢究竟係應該點樣做先。即係話咧，我哋將題目嗰啲資料咧，用我哋嘅公式將佢變成一條嘅 equation 先。然之後我哋再諗下，我而家呢一刻咧，我都唔知佢想問啲乜嘢嘅，係咪 ？OK， 但係我將資料咧變成一條嘅 equation 先。仲有一個資料喎， after selling the shirt, the percentage profit is 30%, and other percentage is given. What is this percentage? Yes, it's profit percent or percentage profit. Okay, so from our notes, can you find the line? Okay, where if it is given the percentage profit, what shall we do? If it is given the percentage profit, what line shall we write? Selling price is equal to cost price times 1 plus profit percent, right? Okay, do we have selling price? No, we just write S. Do we have cost price? No, just write C. And then times 1 plus percentage profit is, is 30%, yes, okay? And then we just simplify the number first. 1 plus 30% becomes 1.3 C. Can you get this? Let's call this equation 3. Oh. Are you afraid? Actually, not quite. Because I can put this S into this equation. Get this? And then I have another equation involving M and C. Okay? So let's put equation 3 into equation 2. And we have 1.3 C is equal to 0.9 M. Okay? Get this? And then, because I want to find the mark price, okay, I want to find the mark price, right? Therefore, I need to express the C in terms of M. I want to express every other thing in terms of M, okay? So C, when C becomes the subject, C is equal to 0.9 M over 1.3, okay? Or when we simplify the fraction, it is 9 M over 13. Let's call this equation 4. Is that okay? Yes, we still haven't used equation 1. Now I have expressed C in terms of M. If I just put equation 4 into equation 1, then this equation becomes having M only. Okay, therefore we can find the value of M from that equation. Okay, so finally we just put equation 4 into equation 1. Okay, equation 1 originally it is M minus C. It becomes M minus 9M over 13 is equal to 80. Can you follow? And we have fraction. So we just multiply every term by the denominator of that fraction. Okay, so that is 13. 13 times M minus 13 times 9M over 13 is equal to 13 times 80. Okay. For the first term, we have 13M, and then minus the second term, our 13s will be cancelled by each other. Okay, so what is remaining is 9M. The right-hand side, it is pure number, so you may use the calculator to help you. So what is 80 times 13? It's 1040. Thank you. Okay. So after cancelling the fraction, on the left-hand side, we have two like terms which can be calculated. Okay. So 13M minus 9M becomes 4M. Is equal to 1040. Finally, because we want to find M, so we just divide the 4 to the right-hand side, and M should be equal to 260. Yes. Can you get this? And the question just asks us to find the mark price. That is the M. Okay. So just write down the conclusion. Therefore, the market price is $260 like this. Can you get this？ 嗱，當然啦，如果你嗰啲嘅concept 係好清晰嘅，其實你唔需要叻咁多個未知數嘅，即係就咁計下嘅話咧就計到㗎啦。但係咧，如果你個腦裏邊係空白一片，淨係有張 formula sheet 嘅 ，OK， 我哋可以做啲咩咧？就係咁樣啦，就係將題目俾你嘅資料，用我哋知道嗱啲 keyword 嚟講 mark price 啊、cost price 啊、相差等於80呢啲咧，一定可以寫到出嚟嘅。OK， 跟住不過你一定要記得呢啲公式 selling price， 即係咧我哋如果有 discount percentage 嘅，係俾咗 discount percentage 嘅，我就由呢條式開始做。OK， 如果題目俾咗 profit percentage 嘅，就由呢條式開始做。呢樣嘢要記得嘅，要背嘅，得唔得 ？OK， 如果唔係嘅話咧，就冇辦法做到任何嘢㗎啦。跟住咧，你會列咗3條式出嚟，有3個未知數，係咪有 M 啦、有 C 有 S 嘅？理論上咧，3個未知數有3條 equation 嘅話咧，就可以計到晒所有未知數㗎啦。OK， 你抱住呢個信念 ，OK 得唔得？即係可以計到任何一個嘅。我哋計到 M 啦，而家係嘛？我哋咧將其中兩條式，將佢合埋一齊，去到整走咗其中一個未知數先。譬如我哋第一個整走嘅未知數係邊一個啊？有冇話俾我聽？頭先我哋計算當中第一個整走咗 eliminate 咗嘅係邊一個未知數啊？係 M 啊、C 啊定 S 啊？睇唔睇到？第一個整走咗，其實係 S 嚟嘅。你記唔記得？當我 put 個 equation 3落去 equation 2嘅時候咧，呢兩條式本身係有 S 呢個未知數嘅，係咪？咁我 put 埋一齊嘅時候咧，係冇咗個 S 㗎啦，得翻 M 同埋 C 之間嘅關係喺度嘅。咁跟住咧，你就睇翻題目喎。我哋想揾個 M 出嚟嘅話咧，我哋就要將其他所有未知數咧 in terms of M 咁樣樣。即係呢個咧 C 咧做翻 subject in terms of M。出咗 equation 4出嚟係咪？跟住我塞翻落去一式嗰度嘅話咧，就會將呢條式裏邊只係得翻 M 呢個未知數啦。咁我就可以計到出嚟。OK， 呢題咧比較複雜少少嘅係嘛 ？OK， 我哋睇一題咧相關嘅。I want you to do the 18.07. Is it? Yes, 18.07. Can you try to use 3 minutes to do 18.07？ 呢個冇咁複雜嘅，107冇咁複雜嘅。Please do 18.07 now. Please try. Okay. And have you set up the equation? 有啲題應該其實投出嚟都係差唔多嘅複雜嘅。Yes. Yes.
Is my equation correct?
Yes, good, correct. 1, 2, 3. Yes, all of them are correct. Good. Okay. The first sentence. The market price of a base is 30% above its cost. What is this percentage? Now, 你見到咧，我上次呢度咧 Did you write down this diagram? 中間有一個咧 cost price 同埋 market price 之間嘅關係咧，係冇一個名嘅，冇個名嘅，得 ？OK， 通常咧就係佢自己題目咧，特登係形容俾你聽，點樣由個 cost price 轉去到 market price 咁樣嘅。而家呢度咧就係咁樣啦，而喺度，佢話咧，the market price is 30% above its cost price, which means that we need to let M should be equal to cost price times bracket 1 plus 30%. You get this? Okay. Because it is 30% above, so we need to use 1 plus 30%. Okay. Above is cost price. So the 1 plus 30% should be multiplied to the C. Okay. So M is equal to 1.3 C. And call this equation 1. Okay. And then for a second sentence, a loss of $88 is made by selling the base. Okay, if it is about a loss, it's not about the loss percentage, just the actual loss. Okay. So did you keep my revision notes? What is the loss? What is the equation of the loss? Let me. Do I have this? Here, this is from the revision notes, part C. It is not given the loss percentage, not about this, okay? And if it is given the loss amount, okay, so that is actual loss money, then it will be equal to the cost price minus the selling price, okay? C minus S is equal to the loss. In this case, so we have C minus S is equal to 88, and call this equation 2. Can you get this? Because the loss is calculated by finding the difference between cost and selling price. Okay? Because the cost should be the smaller one. Okay? C minus S. And finally, so there is a 40%. What is that for 40%? It's a discount percentage, right? So now we know the discount percentage, and we need to set up the equation using this. So mark price is equal to, the selling price is equal to mark price times 1 minus the discount percent, that is 40%. Okay, so S is equal to 0.6 M. That is equation 3. It's okay? Okay, so I just put equation 3 into equation 2. And I'll get C minus 0.6 M is equal to 88. Okay? And then I will make the C to be the subject. So C is equal to 88 plus 0.6 M, and call this equation 4. Because the question asks us to find the mark price, so I should express everything else to be in terms of the M. Okay, now I just put the C back to this equation 1, and then I can get an equation involving M only. Put equation 4 into equation 1. So M is equal to 1.3 times 88 plus 0.6 M. You get this? And then just remove the bracket. So what is 1.3 times 88? Can you help me? Okay, thank you. And then 1.3 times 0.6 should be 0.78 M. Okay? And then we just subtract the 0.78 M to the left-hand side. We got 0.22 M is equal to 114.4. And dividing the 0.22 to the right-hand side, it becomes 520. Okay? Therefore, the mark price is $520. Okay, and that is what we want to find. It's okay? Okay, so please remember to bring this back tomorrow. Okay, and I would like to talk about the simple interest and the compound interest tomorrow. Okay, is that up?